Developing new treatments for cystic fibrosis has been greatly helped by the sequencing of the human genome in 2001. Explain how the sequencing of the human genome has helped scientists understand cystic fibrosis for 2 marks. So, looking at the mark scheme for this question, you can see that there's loads of different things you can say for those 2 marks. The key thing to remember is that cystic fibrosis is a genetic condition. So any question that can come up saying, how could sequencing the human genome understand a condition? Well, if it's genetic, the key idea is that if you sequence the whole human genome, so that means that sequencing of every single gene in the human body, that will help understand any genetic condition and how it's caused. So you can have any two of the following. It helps scientists understand and locate which exact gene causes cystic fibrosis. So they can work out the exact mutation, exactly what's got wrong for someone to have cystic fibrosis. It allows cystic fibrosis to be diagnosed with a simple blood test. So they can test for that exact gene within the blood and they can say fundamentally, has someone got cystic fibrosis or have they not? It's a very quick, very easy way of diagnosing. It helps scientists understand the cause of the disease. So, of course, again, they can look at the mutation, they can look at how the mutation was caused, how it's passed on, and that will help them understand how it's inherited and how we can try and avoid that. Scientists know which gene and protein is involved, so they can target that protein in treatment. So, of course, remember that a gene codes for a protein, so the faulty gene will lead to a faulty protein, which is what results in the symptoms. So treatment will often try and target that faulty protein and try and improve it so that symptoms go away. And it could help reduce prevalence of the gene in the population. So if they know which gene they're looking for, they can try and reduce the prevalence of that specific gene in the population.